What we have here is some DDR4 RAM. It's a 2x8 gigabyte kit for a total of 16 gigabytes. And in this example, I'm using a B450 motherboard, a micro-atx with 4 DIMM slots. Your motherboard may only have 2, but that's okay. This is universal. Now we'll need to figure out which 2 DIMM slots to put the 2 sticks of RAM in. Make sure to check the user manual for your motherboard. In my case, I'll be using slots 2 and 4. And then the next step is to release the latches so that you can insert the RAM. So on slots 2, I'm going to release that. In slot 4, I'm going to release that. And nowadays on a lot of other motherboards, you may have to release this side as well. But on my motherboard, these are just standalone and they're firmly in place already. The next thing you want to do is grab the first stick of RAM, and you see that notch right there in the middle. What we want to do is we want to make sure we align it with that notch right there, and it can only go one way. So take your time and just make sure that it's going to go in the right way. So I know it's going to go in this way, but if I turn it around, it's not going to go in that way. So just double check. Now once you figure that out, you just want to gently and carefully insert the RAM into the slots. Kind of slide it down. And then with both thumbs, you want to give firm pressure. And if this is the first time you're doing this, it's going to feel like you're going to break the motherboard. But just get nice, even, firm pressure and push down. And when you do, you should hear a satisfying click from this side. So here I go. And there's the first stick. We're going to grab our second stick and repeat. Make sure to line up the slots correctly. And again, I'm going in slot number 4. I'm going to gently slide it in. Make sure it's nice and even. Again, nice, firm, steady pressure. Medium, heavy pressure. And here we go with that satisfying click. Here I go. And there it is. The RAM is installed. Just make sure you double check, make sure it's not loose, and you should be good to go. And as you can see, if you inserted the RAM correctly, these side notches, they pop right back into place where they're supposed to be. If you want to find out how to overclock your RAM and set your RAM through the BIOS, please watch the video on the end screen. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and as always, I'm going to see you in the next video. Thanks, folks.